Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to come on and show some of, I'm in my backyard and we are basically starting what we consider our homestead for where we are right now. And so I wanted to come on and just show you all some of the ways that we are growing our own food and just really trying to become self-sufficient. And we know a lot of stuff is going on. There's a whole lot that's happening. And so we are working on recycling, reducing and reusing, everything around us. And so this is like our start. This is officially like my second video on some of the stuff that we have in the yard. And so now I'm going to show you how we are recycling this container. And it's raining a little bit here, but I appreciate the rain because we have not had a whole lot of rain at all. So I'm basically just taking a very, very sharp knife and let's see, let me point it down. Okay. And so I'm going to cut the top off of this water jug. This is a gallon size water bottle, and I am simply cutting the top off of it so that I can use it as a planter. All right, and so all I need to do at this point is fill it with soil. And so let me show you really quick the soil that I am using. Let's see. So that is what I'm using to start this. And let me put you back where I got you from. Sorry for all the jiggling, but I just wanted to show you which soil I am starting with. And we also have a couple of compost bins. Well, not really technically a bin, but just around the yard we have a couple of things that we areas where we have started compost piles. So all right, I'll let you get a little better look. All right, so as you see, I have it about halfway full with the soil. And so today I'm going to plant some tomatoes. These are the cherried type of little small tomatoes that'll grow on a vine. So I'm just going to start them in this particular container. And let me show you the seeds. See the little white seeds there? So that's what they look like. And I'm just going to space them out a little bit around this container. And as this container starts to grow and get a little bit of a foundation to the seeds, what I'll do is take them and then separate them and probably hang them on my wall is what I'll end up doing. So now just fill it in with dirt, and all you'll need to do is water your planter. Okay, and so I'm going to stick that in there so I'll remember what it is until I can write the name on the cap right there. All right, and so I have also used some just containers from the house that have coconut oil and different things in them. And as you can see, I have lettuce growing here. So as it grows, as it gets yay high, I'll start to separate it and put it into different containers. So that's what we're doing. We're using whatever we have. We have, let's see, so we have different buckets that I get to have when I'm making product for my business. And so we just used it for some mint here. So it doesn't take a lot, and this way the people that are in the city, the people that are in a place where you can't really grow outside, that is your alternative to being able to grow. So that's my wall back there, and I'll talk more about that in another video when it starts to grow more. But let me show you some of the containers that we have recycled. As you can see, we are using a variety of containers. Whatever it is that we have, we're using it. And we have a variety of stuff. I have peppers growing. See my peppers? They're starting to come on. And we have a little variety of stuff. I need to get in there and clean it out. Put some, just some organic fertilizer to help out. And I'm going to also plant some bok choy around my collards here, because the worms, as you can see, have been having an entire field day. So I'm going to be planting some comfrey around some of the stuff, and also some bok choy in this bed here around it. All right. So that is pretty much it for now to start. We do have more trees and things, but I'll talk about those on another video. In the meantime, thank you so much for tuning in, and be sure to subscribe to the channel. Be sure to share the video with your friends and family who may want to grow as well, and we can grow together. Okay? Thanks, guys. I will talk to you guys on the next video.